was in response to what it called the desecration of the Al-Aqsa Mosque and an increase in Jewish settler attacks on Palestinians. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream? A dream about things way beyond this atmosphere. You stop trying so hard. And you surrender to the knowing that you don't know anything. If the empty space would let me go.
Israel sent millions of Israelis running to shelters off and on throughout the day. Adele Reamer, a resident of Kibbutz